Chapter 1 Relations and Functions, Exercise 1.1. First question, find A cross B, A cross A, B cross A. Set A is given by 2, minus 2, 3. Set B is given by 1, minus 4. Now solution, we know what is set A and what is set B. To find A cross B, what is A cross B? It is a cross product of set A with B. So for that, you have to take the elements of A first, then cross it with the elements of B. Now what is in set A? First element is 2. You have to take that and combine with all the elements in set B. So 2, 1, 2, minus 4. Take second element, combine with all the elements in set B. So minus 2, 1, minus 2, minus 4. Then third element with all the elements of set B. So 3, 1, 3, minus 4. Now what is A cross A? It means the cross product of a set with itself. We know what is A. So you have to combine the elements of A with itself. So you will be having it as 2, 2. Then 2, minus 2. Then 2, 3. Take the second element and combine with the set itself. So minus 2, 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 3. Then third element with the set itself. So 3, 2, 3, minus 2, 3, 3. Now what is B cross A? It is the cross product of set B with set A. We know what is B. So take the elements of B, then combine with the elements of A. First element is 1. Combine with all the elements in A. So 1, 2, 1, minus 2, 1, 3. Then take the second element, combine with all the elements in A. So minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 3. That's it. The second subdivision, A is equal to B is equal to P, Q. We need A cross B. Here A and B are equal. So A cross B means you have to combine the set with itself since both are same. So the elements will be P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. Now what is A cross A? Cross product of a set with itself. So the same thing will be repeated here. P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. Now we need B cross A. For that, again you have to combine the set B with set A. So the same thing will be repeated for this too. P, 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 Q, Q, P, Q, Q. The third subdivision, A is equal to M, N, B is equal to null set. We need A cross B. Means you have to take the cross product of set A with B. Here B is a null set, so the answer will be null set. Cross product of any set with a null set is a null set. So A cross B is equal to null set here. Now what is A cross A? It means the cross product of a set with itself. You have A is equal to M, N. So combine the elements with itself. So M, 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 N, N, M, and N, N. Now what is B cross A? Again the same thing. You are combining the null set with another set. So the cross product of any set with a null set will be a null set. So this also will be a null set. Question number 2. Let A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to X such that X is a prime number less than 10. Find A cross B and B cross A. Solution. You know A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Now what is B? It is X, where X is a prime number less than 10. So you have to look for the prime numbers within 10. So we will be having 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the prime numbers less than 10. So set B will be 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now let's find the cross products. What is A cross B? You have to combine the elements of A with B. So take the first element, combine with all the elements in B. Take the second element, combine with all the elements in B. Take the third element, combine with all the elements in B. So 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. What is B cross A? For B cross A, you have to take the set B first. Then you have to take set A. So take element from B, first element from B. It's 2. Combine with all the elements in A. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. Then take the second element 3. Combine with all the elements in A. So 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3. Now take the third element 5. 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. Last element with all the elements of A. So 7, 1, 7, 2, 7, 3. Third question. If B cross A is equal to minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. Find A and B. Solution. We have B cross A as minus 2, 3, minus 2, 4, 0, 3, 0, 4, 3, 3 and 3, 4. It is B cross A. So first element will be obviously B. Set B's element. And second element will be from set A. So look for the first elements. You have minus 2, 0, 0, 3, 3. So it's repeated. You can write the elements once. So minus 2, 0 and 3. Now what is set A? It will be the second element in cross product. So you have 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. It's repeated again. You can write only once. So 3, 4. The fourth question. If A is equal to 5, 6, B is equal to 4, 5, 6, C is equal to 5, 6, 7. Show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Solution. We have A is equal to 5, 6. B is equal to 4, 5, 6. C is equal to 5, 6, 7. We need A cross A in the left hand side. So find A cross A. A cross A is the cross product of A with itself. So you'll be having it as 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. Now what is B cross B? Going to the right hand side. So find B cross B. B cross B is the cross product of set B with itself. We know what is B. 4, 5, 6. So you have to take the cross product of all the elements with themselves. So you'll be having it as 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 5, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 4, 6, 5, 6, 6. Then we need C cross C. So C cross C will be cross product of set C with itself. So 5, 5, 5, 6, 5, 7. 6, 6, 6, 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 7. You have to show that A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. So look for the common groups in B cross B and C cross C. We have 5, 6. We have 5, 5. We have 6, 5 and 6, 6. So B cross B intersection C cross C can be written as 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 5, 6, 6. What is A cross A? The same thing. And intersection of B cross B and C cross C is equal to A cross A here. So you can write therefore A cross A is equal to B cross B intersection C cross C. Hence proved.